Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet with Cpen Easy Method. First, open Trust Wallet and unlock your wallet. Then tap the browser or D-App tab to access Cpen. Paste the Cpen contract or navigate to the official D-App link inside the wallet and approve the connection prompt when it appears. Finally, confirm any transaction with correct gas settings and double-check the destination address before you sign. Now we walk through connecting step by step in a friendly pace. Open the D-App browser in Trust Wallet, then search or paste the Cpen interface address. Choose Connect Wallet and pick Trust Wallet from the list, then a prompt will ask you to approve the connection. Read the permissions and only confirm if they match expected actions. After approval, your wallet should display Cpen balance and interaction options smoothly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker shown here adds pleasant alerts and music while you monitor wallets or price movements, which makes tracking Cpen more enjoyable. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If something goes wrong, stay calm and try a few quick fixes that usually help. Make sure Trust Wallet is up to date and the D-App browser is enabled in settings. Switch between networks, like testnet and mainnet if applicable, and retry after clearing cache. Double-check the contract address and gas limits, and reach out to Cpen support when errors persist. Keep notes of any error messages for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.